Kaigern Ryzen 7 5700U laptop review. Is it the budget laptop that surprises you? So, what is it? It is a budget and mid-range laptop built around the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U 8-core 16-thread CPU with integrated AMD Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics, 16 GB RAM, and a fast NVMe SSD. It's positioned as a value laptop aimed at students, light content creators, casual gamers, and anyone needing a versatile, everyday machine without spending much. So let's talk about the pros. It offers a good CPU performance for the price. The Ryzen 7 5007U offers a strong multi-core performance for productivity tasks and multitasking. It is also good for smooth everyday use and multitasking with a 16 GB RAM. It also is capable for light gaming and older, less demanding titles. And it has a fast storage and responsiveness as well, which can be expandable and upgrade friendly. For the cons though, it has an integrated graphics which limits the gaming and heavy creative workload. There are also some mixed real-world gaming feedback, and it is built for the quality and reliability which is uncertain, and they are not ideal for demanding workloads or future-proof gaming. So overall, it is an impressive budget-friendly surprise laptop for its price. It delivers solid CPU performance and snappy responsiveness, but it's not a substitute for a gaming laptop with a dedicated GPU. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications